Good day, students. Hope you are doing well. Once again, welcome to my channel NMO TMake. Today, we are going to learn partial differential equation. In that, we are going to learn Laplace method. The Laplace equation is dou square u upon dou x square plus dou square u upon dou y square is equal to 0, or it is also written as uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. It is also called as elliptical differential equation. When the function comes under the steady state, that is, when function is independent of time, then we can use Laplace equation. It is also given by del square u is equal to 0. Now we will solve the equation, rather problem on Laplace method. Now the given problem is solve the equation uxx plus uyy is equal to 0 for the square mesh with the boundary values as shown below. So here the mesh is shown or grid is shown where some values of u is given, that is 1000, 500, 0, 0. Here it is 2000, 2000. Here it is 1000, 1000, 1000 and again 1000. Here it is 500. Let us assume these are the values of temperatures at various points given to you, and you have to find out the value of u1, u2, u3 and u4. Now how to solve this type of problem? So using Laplace method or elliptic equation, now this is the rhombus we are going to consider. To calculate the value of u1, so here it is u1, we are going to join these 4 points. So these are the 4 points we are going to consider and write the equation for u1. So this is u1 is equal to 1 by 4, 2000 plus 1000 plus u2 plus u3. So the equation becomes, we multiply these 4 to u1, so 4u1 is equal to 3000, 2000 plus 1000 is 3000 plus u2 plus u3. So the equation becomes then 4u1 minus u2 minus u3 plus 0 into u4 is equal to 3000. This becomes our first equation. Now same way for u2 we have to consider 4 points, 1000, then this is B, sorry, we have to consider, if we have to consider this u2, we need to take these 4 points. So these are the 4 points that we have to consider. So which are these points? So for u2, that is equal to 1 by 4 u1 plus 1000 plus 500 plus u4. You can observe over here. So this is u1 plus 1000 plus 500 plus u4. So equation becomes in this way. So we can calculate u2. Now multiplying 4 to u2, equation becomes 4u2 is equal to u1 plus 1500 plus u4. Now again taking these values in this side, so minus u1 plus 4u2 plus 0 into u3 minus u4 is equal to 1500. So this will become equation number 2. Same way for u3 is equal to 1 by 4 2000 plus u1 plus u4 plus 500. So 4u3 is equal to u1 plus u4 plus 2500. The third equation is minus u1 plus 0 into u2 plus 4u3 minus u4 is equal to 2500. And last equation, same way we have to calculate u4 is equal to 1 by 4 in bracket u3 plus u2 plus 0 plus 0. So 4u4 is equal to 0 into u1 plus u2 plus u3 . So this equation becomes minus 0 into u1 minus u2 minus u3 plus 4u4 is equal to 0. Now we have multiplied it in this 0 into u1 because we have to take all the terms of u1, u2, u3 and u4. Here the term of u1 is not available, so we have taken that term multiplying it by 0. Now why this term is taken over here, that we can see in the next step. So in the second step, writing above equations in AU is equal to B matrix format. Now you can observe in the first equation we get 4u1 minus u2 minus u3 plus 0 into u4 is equal to 3000. So our equation in the matrix form becomes in this way. So 4u1 minus u2 minus u3 0 into u4 is equal to 3000. That is the calculation into row column is equal to first element. So in this way we'll write equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 in matrix format. Now we can apply Gauss elimination method to find the values of u1, u2, u3 and u4. Now as you know, in Gauss elimination we can take the elements in diagonal format as 1. We make these equations as 1 and the elements over here as 0. So we'll get the values of u1 is equal to 1208.33, u2 is equal to 7 91.66, U3 is equal to 1041.66 and U4 is equal to 458.33. Now here I have directly solved the Gauss elimination method, but you have to go step by step for Gauss elimination method and get this equation and get the values. Hope you understood this one. Please like and share this video. Thank you so much.